Happy birthday!
Puffin' in the lobby, show me something, keep it soft and tell nobody in the city, smoke exotics. Hey, spin it slow.
Guess who's back? Back again. What, Wani's, who was a Wani? Let's try this again. Rewind! Guess who's back? Back again. Yunnierose back. What? Tell a friend. Hit what? Hit subscribe. Hit subscribe. Hit subscribe. Hit subscribe. Hey, Rose, this is Yunnierose, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me vlog. Y'all love these. You know, you've seen it here first. So, just know. That's what you're gonna see, okay? But we're gonna get into some hygiene, some skincare, some makeup, some hair, some outfit, and some fragrance. So if you want to see me get ready, then keep on watching. I'm in Vegas for my sister's birthday. I would show y'all her, but she get ready. But yeah, I'll probably show y'all her getting ready during the process. We're going to Nobu tonight. We're staying at Nobu. Go watch the Vegas vlog to see, you know, the room tour and all of that. So yeah, I'm finna hop in the shower. Once I get out, I'll let you guys know what I've been using for like body care. We're gonna go for skin, you know, we're just gonna go in order, and we're gonna get ourselves together, and we're gonna go to dinner tonight, and you know, just gonna be a lit little get ready with me vlog. So keep on watching. So this is my sister getting ready for dinner. What are you doing for with your hair?
Right now I'm just putting some pin curls in it, so I can get some curls so it won't be as flat as it was. So I'm just pin curling it.
How long have you been natural?
Ooh. I've been natural for 7 years. When I got pregnant, I decided, well, I didn't decide it, you know, but I just
It was decided for you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, I just stopped getting perms, and to be honest, I love it.
Wait, can you get a perm while you're pregnant?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. I think so.
Dang, I never thought of that.
Yeah, I never thought of that either.
Let us know down below.
Yeah.
So, how has it been natural?
It's been a good journey, you know. Did kind of fall out because I wasn't taking care of it, so please take care of that natural hair. But I wouldn't trade it for nothing because it's growing right on back, honey. But I just want to get ready. You know, I'm a little camera shy, so can you get that out my face?
Insert flashback of her twerking and shaking her ass in front of the camera.
Girl.
Ooh, shake what your mama gave ya. Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is wash up. You cannot start any routine without washing your butt, okay? So I've been loving the Raw Sugar Living Moisture Loving Body Wash in avocado and cactus pear. And I've also been using the Eco Tools exfoliating gloves, which help you exfoliate your skin, get your skin super soft, and also just help you get a really good cleanse. So that's basically my little quick shower routine. This video is sponsored by Scentberg, which is a perfume / fragrance monthly subscription for only $15 a month. They have over 600 designer fragrances from Prada, Tom Ford, and Gucci. Some of my faves this month are the Oscar de la Renta Bella Essence in scents of wood, sandalwood, and oak. All you do is twist it up to use it, and that's how it sprays. You get 120 sprays per bottle, which is like amazing. You also can take these out. So sometimes I just put in my favorite fragrances, you know, to use as a travel size. They're perfect for traveling and things like that. So if you guys are interested in something like this, then please check the description box down below for extra details and for you to shop. And let's go ahead and get into skin. Go ahead and get into skin. This is just basically an overview of all these skincare products that I've been using, but I'm gonna give you a quick little skincare daily everyday skincare routine. I did use the native deodorant today, which is amazing, so shout out to Kyra for recommending. So we're gonna go ahead and get into our skin. First and foremost, I went in with the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel, which is soap free, and it just helps like really cleanse your skin, leaving it smooth and clean. So it's my absolute fave. The
next thing I'd like to go in is the basically the vitamin C oil from Dermalogica. It's really good for dark spots. It's also really good for fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps firm the skin. So I have seen a dramatic difference with using this serum, and I absolutely love it. The next thing we're going to do is go in with the skin smoothing cream. Y'all, this is my favorite moisturizer of all time. I really have been using it for about a month or two now, and I absolutely love it. It has hyaluronic acid in it, cucumber, and other things that hydrate the skin really well without leaving it like super greasy or oily, and that is my favorite thing about this moisturizer. The next thing is basically the vitamin C eye cream. It is really good. So it basically does the same thing as the serum, but more so directed towards your eyes. It has dramatically helped with my dark circles or fine lines under my eyes, and I also applied this around my smile lines and around my mouth for the hyperpigmentation, and it has done a great job. Do not forget your lips. Make sure you put some type of lip balm. I normally use Vaseline, but you know, massage your lips, get them lips plump, honey. And this is our skin. We're gonna go ahead and get into the hair, so I will leave those products linked down below. Alrighty, y'all, so let's go ahead and get started on with the hair. I'm going in with my Can2 leave-in conditioner. A lot of people don't like this conditioner, but I don't know. I've been using it for years and my hair loves it. Then I'm going in with the Eco Styler gel. Y'all, this is the first time I've used this one with the red top. And honestly, I'm gonna be honest, I did not like it. For years, I have always used the olive oil one, and I feel like my hair just likes that one way better. So yeah, let me know which Eco Styler is you guys' favorite. I'm using this Conair brush that I got from Walmart. Y'all, this is a bomb brush. Like, it's so good and I love it. So what I did is braid my hair, put my hair in a ponytail, braid it, and I'm just wrapping my weave around it. I will link my other two ponytail videos that I've done on YouTube or here on my channel with the same hair. And then when I was doing those videos, I wasn't linking my hair, so I would definitely link this hair down below. It is raw Indian wavy hair. It's the only hair that I wear, like bundles of my clothing line. I went to India to get this, so I know that it's good. I've been having it for 2 years, so it's really good hair. It lasts for a long time and is so beautiful, perfect for a vacation, and just perfect for longevity, if I'm being honest, because it literally comes off of somebody's head. So right now I am doing my baby hairs. I do my baby hairs a little different now. Like, I do them the same, but the first one I kind of bring up or over a little higher. I don't know if you guys can tell. So yeah, but y'all, I'm not gonna lie, like, I need to get my olive oil Eco Styler, because to me that is the best one, and it just holds I don't even want to say it holds better. This one does hold better, but I don't know, I feel like it kind of wears off. Like, I feel like you have to use a lot of this, if that makes sense. So I would definitely be doing the other one. So right now I'm just wrapping up my hair. Make sure when y'all doing any type of ponytail to wrap your hair up, because it's going to like just help your hair set in place. And sometimes I just go over it and blow dry it just to really help it set in place. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this beat, honey. Alrighty, y'all, so here is basically a layout of all the products. I'm going to talk about the products, but sometimes I kind of just get into what I'm doing when I'm doing these makeup tutorials. So I thought, why not do a, you know, just a little cinematic feel of all the products that I'm going to be using, so you guys can see it all full circle. So we are starting off with our primer. Y'all, primer is so important. Like, it's been times where I forgot primer and my makeup did not look the same, and this is by far my favorite. This is the Laura Mercier hydrating primer. So if you have dry skin, check this out. It's so good. It hydrates and it helps with the longevity of your makeup. So I like to color correct with a skin tone concealer. So I'm using this concealer from Beauty Blender. I believe the color is 4.30W, but I will leave all of that in the description box for you guys. So I'm just blending this out, and with this concealer, it's kind of thick, so you don't need a lot. And for foundation, I'm going in with this NARS Soft Matte Foundation. Y'all, This foundation is so nice. Like, it has literally been my go-to lately, but I've been mixing it with the Anastasia Luminous foundation. I feel like these foundations go together perfectly because if I'm not going in a setting where it's hot, then I like to mix the Anastasia in there. But if I'm going to be in an area where it's hot, like outside, then I would just use the NARS on its own. But them two together is perfect. Right now I'm going in with the soft matte concealer from NARS in the shade Caramel, and y'all, this concealer is bomb, but you literally need a little bit, and you do not need to apply this directly under your eye. So as you can see, I'm not trying to but I'm taking a little bit of the Creamy Radiant and putting it under my eyes and kind of just letting those two concealers set and kind of blend in the skin where I do my contour. For my contour, I use the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer stick, which I love. I know a lot of people don't like the Kardashians and Jenners or whatever, but they do have good products. So if you don't want to buy from them, I get it, but this bronzer stick is so good. So good. It's super creamy. It blends out really well, as you can see, and it stays on the skin. A lot of like sticks, contour sticks, foundation sticks don't really last, but this one does, and it blends out really beautifully, as you guys can see. So that is what I'm just blending it out. So for the concealer, I'm just going ahead and pressing that into the skin. And what I like to do is use the side of my beauty blender, as you can see now, and I blend upwards just to kind of lift my face so my face looks a little slimmer. And then I'll lightly taps in the corner of my eye because you don't want to have a lot of product there. What I'm doing right now is doing like a set. So what you want to do is set your makeup before you bake, because if you just go in and bake, then it's going to look patchy. It's not going to look like as smooth, as flawless that you see, you know, like celebrities and all of that doing. So I'm just letting y'all know, secret trick. And then you want to go in and bake. For baking, I'm using the Laura Mercier Honey shade. And y'all, I love this shade. I used to use Laura Mercier all the time, the translucent one, but this honey shade is literally perfection. So my favorite powder lately has been the Anastasia Deep Peach. Y'all, this powder is if y'all haven't tried this powder, it's literally perfection. Like, it's literally the best powder I have ever like tried in the 8 years of me doing makeup, and that says a lot. You can use it for baking and setting, but just depending on the look that I want to go, I'll use the Laura Mercier for a brighter look. For bronzer, I'm going in with the new Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Y'all, this bronzer y'all, my makeup routine is just lit now. Comment down below if you want me to do like an updated, like flawless base, because the products I use now just go together so well. This bronzer is super creamy and super flawless. It literally gives you an airbrushed effect, and I love it. So y'all, I'm setting my face with the Morphe setting spray, but I'm so sorry. Lashes are from my friend's brand, but they're sold out. The blush that I use is from Rare Beauty. It's their like liquid matte blush. I just did a quick eye look. In my brows, I use the Fenty brow pencil in deep dark. So sorry about that, my camera overheated, so it kind of skipped those 3 steps. But right now I'm lining my lips with MAC's chestnut lip pencil, and then I'm going in with my favorite nude right now, which is the KKW Beauty Nude 3 lipstick. It is so pretty. And then I'm going in with the Fenty Fussy gloss on top, just for a very neutral look. So we're gonna go ahead and take this scarf off, and as you can see, like, I don't know, I feel like I have to use a lot of that Eco Styler gel. Like, I don't feel like it does what the olive oil one. I feel like the olive oil Eco Styler really gets my hair super duper slick, and it's not like frizzy at all. So yeah, I don't know about that one. So right now we're just lotioning up because you don't want to be ashy. I've been using the, what is it called? The raw sugar lotion, which is so bomb. Like, I absolutely love it, but I will leave everything down below. So here is a little outfit and vlog. Alrighty, y'all, so here's the outfit. This bodysuit's from Zara. The skirt and the shoes are from Pretty Little Things. So this is a cute little simple black outfit. I hope you dolls enjoy the rest of this video. We went to Nobu for dinner and it was so nice.
Happy birthday! Okay, do it so I can record it. So you dip it in there. Just pick it up. So dip it in there, and then put some of the tuna on it.
Like a little French onion, you feel what I'm saying? Like my drink. Like another cocktail? Not right now.
Can we get another order of the sushi? The shrimp tempura. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna record you. I think I did it wrong.
No, you did. You did it right.